Permanently mount a battery connection to any battery. Lie-flat design for seamless installations with M10 hole size. Built-in 20A microblade fuse for increased safety and protection. Rugged, watertight connector for maximum performance. Compatible with G750, G1100, G3500, G7200, and G4 models, as well as GENIUS1, GENIUS2, GENIUS2X2 GENIUS2X4, GENIUS5, and GENIUS10. Not compatible with NOCO Boost or Boost X UltraSafe lithium jump starters. The GC008X Connect XL Eyelet terminal accessory is compatible with G750, G1100, G3500, G7200, and G4 chargers, as well as GENIUS1, GENIUS2, GENIUS2X2, GENIUS2X4, GENIUS5, and GENIUS10. It features a lie-flat design for seamless installations with an M10 hole size. Not compatible with NOCO Boost or Boost X UltraSafe lithium jump starters. Top reviews from the United States. Decent connector to splice for your own connections, overpriced for what it is though. Decent connector, feels quality, but the price is ridiculous. NOCO, you're milking us already for your overpriced chargers that cost as much as a whole car battery. The least you can do is sell the accessories at market.